in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Montgomery County in Middle Tennessee, northern Cheatham County in Middle Tennessee, southwestern Robertson County in Middle Tennessee, until 4:15 p.m. At 3:40 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Clarksville, moving southeast at 45 miles per hour. A wind gust of 52 miles per hour was measured at the Clarksville airport with the storms. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Springfield, Ashland City, Coopertown, Pleasant View, Adams, and Cedar Hill. This includes Interstate 24 between mile markers 4 and 31. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:15 p.m. for the following county: Montgomery, Tennessee. The National Weather